Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all Jesus in, Christ! All in, yeah. Subscribe, tap into every video. Make sure your friends, along with Thanksgiving from Pontiac, Michigan. Hard content and family vibes. You better subscribe, you better subscribe. You gon' see car content and family vibes. You better subscribe. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in. Subscribe to the channel.
What's up, Griffin family ballin'?
A man can become successful without a wife and family, but all the real joy is taken out of it. Take care of your wife and children as your greatest possession.
I gotta elevate.
What's up, YouTube? We've been out and about for quite some time now because we've been handling business, so brought the family to come out to come see our new house. Yeah, we've been trying to get everything together so that we could move. Because when you work hard, you want to play hard, whatnot, and we've been looking at different houses, different areas, and whatnot. So we have to take into consideration school districts, commute to work, also size of the house. We need a little bit more room. Then we need something presentable where we're able to film and this and that, so when we can't go outside, we can have some amenities indoors also. So without no further people, neighbors or whatever. Okay. Here's the house. Cut it so you guys can't see the address. Empty house tour, I guess. Let them go upstairs. Let's check out the main floor. Kitchen area. Yeah, let's see when we get furniture and stuff in here. No pool yet. Call today, and the key. This is the guest bathroom. Real high ceilings. Guest bedroom. I think it's a walk-in. I don't think it is. No, it's not walk-in. It's a nice size room. See outside the backyard. Nothing but trees behind us, no neighbors behind us. I'll go outside so you guys can see the size of the yard. Oh yeah, 2.5 car garage. Big boy. Yeah, it's 2 cars and that's the half part. It's pretty big. This will probably be my little weight room area, or our weight room area, and tools and stuff over here. Ice is talking about getting a motorcycle possibly, but I doubt it. I don't know. If she gets one, she gets one, but yeah, it's nice. It's sizable. It's a half car garage, but you can fit a small car over here, and this 2 goes over here. Hi, Isis. So they like the house? Yeah, they like it. Get there. It's got a sprinkler system. I don't know. Oh, it's over there. I see it way over there. So you guys can see the size of the yard. A lot of room for the dogs. build the pool. We have to move our sprinkler system thing here temporarily while they get it together. Pretty nice and private though. I don't see any windows from anybody else's house. So you can see over back here, so like that. Taking it all in. Upstairs. Closet. So you talking about putting the Christmas tree? Where was you talking about putting the Christmas tree? In front of that door. It's not that small of a room. I thought this was pretty small. I like to have something. Good. Yeah, did she show y'all whose room is whose? Alright. 6, I know, I'm getting it together. This is our YouTube room / office. I might put it office downstairs, I'm not sure, but most likely this will be our YouTube room, office. Laundry room, upstairs, drain. That's where our furnace and stuff is. Washer, dryer. Of course, we're gonna have this all done. This would be the boys' room. Walk-in closet. This is the ladies' room here. Beds together in this room. In the front, she gonna let you get the front one? Yeah, she must gonna let you get the... Oh, okay, well, it doesn't have a walk-in closet, that's why. We know that matters. You can put your clothes in here in our office. The bathroom. In our room. Big. So we get the sunset at nighttime. That's what I told her too. That's west. The sunset over there. Put our bed on this wall and get a projection screen that comes up on the floor up. Nice. To the yard. What are you doing? Our bathroom. On a single sink. We gotta get a double sink. A shower. And a closet. Nice size closet. Like another room. Video.
Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in, yeah. Subscribe, tap into every video. Make sure you liking and you sharing it to your friends. King May and Queen Isis, along with.
Alright, she got the keys to her new house, and look at here. She She got her Escalade Platinum ready to go.
Let's go home.
Yeah, so let's get on with the get on.
I want the door open for me. Let's go home.
There go that new stuff.
Nah, I'm gonna hold this because
Yeah, I forgot the barbecue. Alright.
Where you going? Look at him, y'all.
Hell, I'm trying to get home my damn self.
Let's go there.
They 7 kids from Pontiac, Michigan. Car content and family vibes. Subscribe, you gon' see car content and family vibes. You better subscribe. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in. Subscribe to the channel.